preparation of the Super Bowl weekend, I did all of my grocery shopping beforehand. There is no way, no how that I was going to enter Costco Friday or Saturday in Kansas City, might I add, before the Super Bowl weekend. I knew it was going to be crazy. So I did all of my grocery shopping early and had a few stores I had to go to, didn't have any kids with me. It was fantastic. So got that out of the way. Honest moment here. Gonna show you guys something silly. Costco, you don't get grocery bags. Aldi's, you don't get grocery bags. We had no grocery bags in the house, and these are, so I ran to this grocery store for like one item, and I was like, can I please just get some extra plastic bags? We've been using a produce bag in our garbage can because that was literally all we had left, and so grabbed some more bags for my garbage cans. It is time to get this house back in order. I have held off on doing household chores for way too long, dealing with sick kids. When my little ones are sick, doing a little tea party is a fun way to push fluids. If you have retainers or dentures or any mouth appliance, you absolutely need this device. This is the coolest thing. You just fill it up with water. Since I have had this, I have not brushed my retainers like with the toothbrush. It just uses ultrasonic power waves. It does that for 5 minutes. You can see it kind of bubbles up. It cleans them so well. You can even put your jewelry in there. And it just like, it's crazy how well it cleans it. It's called a Dental Pod. I will link it down below with my discount code. Last room in the house to clean up. So Landon actually teaches an early morning church youth class. We call it seminary. And these teenagers are so funny. They just come in through the basement door and they each have claimed a blanket. And it's the first come first serve gets the couches. The other people get a folding chair. But they've claimed a blanket, and so on the weekends or after they're done for the weekends, I clean up the blankets, wash them, and put the chairs up so the kids can have the basement back and play in it. And then we set the chairs back up on Monday morning for the next week. Official. Today is the big day for Kansas City. It is the Super Bowl, and I've got my Kansas City Chiefs sweater on. I've got my earrings that are made from Kansas City, a shop from here, and I even have red hair tinsel in my hair. So let's get in the kitchen and make up a few fun things for our party tonight. I did not plan this, but I put the perfect amount of pretzels on the cookie sheet for the amount of Rolos that I had unwrapped. You guys, that's amazing. It's like meant to be already. Good luck, we're gonna win tonight's game. So put this in the oven at 325 degrees for about 4 minutes. While the Rolos are melting, I'm picking out just the red M&Ms with the Chiefs. Okay, here's my superstition thinking. We are going to win the game with 4 points over. Nothing like a little sweet and salty treat. Well, if I didn't just have the cutest conversation with Landon, he's like, are you gonna make your pretzels? And I said, no, I'm not gonna make pretzels. I'm just gonna make this.
then I guilt tripped her. I'm like, those are my favorite. I really wanted those.
I said, no, I just needed to take something off my plate. I don't want to make pretzels. And he said, but I just really wanted them.
I'm like a kid.
No, he said, what he said was, I want to take them to our party so I can brag to everyone.
That's my wife that made those because they're so good. I'm just like,
I have to hurry then.
I like bragging about you.
Oh my gosh, you were so cute. Okay, well now I had to add something else to my plate. He said he'd help me make the sugar cookie treat. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, all right, gotta get busy.
Style, teaspoonish.
No.
Teaspoonish. Oh, that was
you freestyle salt and vanilla extract. You do not freestyle baking soda and baking powder.
Really?
Yeah.
Well,
that's my rule anyway. Landon didn't think that he needed a bigger bowl.
I'm gonna prove that I don't. I'll prove it. Oh, dang it.
See, you do.
It said do it in a medium to large size bowl. This looked pretty medium to large size. Lucy asked what I was doing. I told her I was landscaping, getting all the lumps and bumps out. I used to work on a sod farm, and even after we tried tilling it and smoothing it out with our tractors, we still had to get a steamroller sometimes and roll it so it was perfectly smooth, so when we harvested it was great. So just doing a little landscaping on the field here, really smoothing things out.
I think I picked the most stellar time of the day to have Emma do my nails. Dishes are to be done, kids need help, and I'm like, nope. Emma's doing my nails. Look at all those cute little designs that she's done on those. Look how cute those are. I could not decide between making pretzels or pretzel bites, and so we did both, and they turned out so good. All right, make it known, I don't love food coloring. I try to avoid artificial food dyes in the things that I buy at the store because I do believe that there's a lot of adverse effects. However, I'm not completely against it. There are times that I use it. I don't love doing this, and I know there's ways, like healthy ways around it, but when you already have it, you just use your resources. I'm just gonna use it. Just know I don't do this all the time.
How did yours stay down in there? Wow, you put it like right in the middle of the cookie.
Whoever's playing this direction gets a... Ah! Okay. It's no one's birthday. It's the chief's special day.
No.
He knows what he needs.
Well, Finn, one of us is happy. Hear him chewing on his bone over there. If you haven't heard by now, I'm sure you have. We lost, and that's okay. You win some, you lose some. Still proud to be a Kansas Cityan, and it was a good game, although there wasn't a whole lot to cheer for. It happens. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We will see you guys in the next one.